In this video, I'm gonna go through how you can make better outdoor and adventure videos. Get the camera away from yourself. So like put the camera over there behind the bush and get a wider shot with the Joshua tree, and you can actually see your subject or you moving through the scene. You don't always wanna be close up on the subject, and you don't always wanna have like a POV camera. I've seen a lot of adventure style films and it's all from like a helmet or just all from a chest or all from like a vlogging stick. You want to try to vary up your shots. So this is why you want a tripod. This is why you want a microphone that you can put on yourself and have the receiver on the camera. It just gives you a lot more flexibility to get these big wide shots where you can actually see someone or a car or something moving through the frame, and you can get more of a landscape style shot rather than having the camera always tethered to you where it's in the style that it just feels like you're always holding the camera or you're always shooting out at the landscape. Try to put you out away from the camera and show these bigger landscape style shots. So if you want to learn more on how you can tell a story, well, I made a video all about that right here. It goes through how you can tell a story in an adventure film, and I'll see you on the next video.